Today, Beke, I get treaty ihe na-eme n'ilu akwụkwọ n'isi ụmụnne anyị na-abụ ụmụnne anyị na-abụ dị ka nna na nwa ọbụna ha dị ka nna na nwa na ha na-abụ nna na nwa ya nke amatala ya nke ịghọtago nọzi ka ha nọzi na nnukwute wọl ọ dịzị ka ebe Iran Iraq na-anụ ọgụ bụ nna anyị Ejike Enugu na Zọkparịa virgin boy nwa 50 something years na-amaghị nwaanyị, the only virgin boy in Igbo tribe. Maka na ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo taa, virgin boy na papia ọ dị nnọọ ka ebe fi na-abụ na-anụ ọgụ, mana ife ebe fi lion na-abụ nụrụ ọgụ ife na-eme ebe ọ bụ na elephant nụrụ ọgụ elephant ihe na-akọ n'ubi ebe ahụ nwanne mana ọ chefuzi ya because sọsọ ọkpa nkịtị faya azụ na anane ga-agbasi ike. So na-atụsa vidio malụkwa na ebe eze akụ ụkwụ bụ chi ọbụla ga-agọzi m onye ọzọ na-akwa baro na machọghị na chi ahụ dị useless. It's already happening. When they have problem, they will come and explain to me and you, maybe to have pity over them or to support them or to know how to settle them or to know how to settle the issue that they are having. Now Elijah Enugu cried out loud the same way one baby virgin. You know, sometimes one virgin behave like somebody that doesn't have a good manager. Normally, mentally, when you look at one virgin's behavior, attitude, you know that mentally he's not okay. That's just normal thing. Normal thing. But his type is menu, and you always find them into religion. That is 100%. Carrying Bible or doing juju. And out of that low mentality, people fall into their trap because they will tell you what you want. Because such people are very lazy in creating idea to develop a nation, even to develop his or her family. They only depend on manipulating you with sweet voice, telling you what God will do for you. Tell me what one virgin have done to Ndibo. Or tell me that thing that makes one virgin today to be recognized as a human being in Igbo land. If not that he's brainwashing you, telling you that you will not die, you will make money, your children will not die, your children will not die. That is the only thing that makes you celebrate one virgin today. Not that it has done anything today to compare someone that created this comment section, this Facebook you are watching, the camera of the phone you are using, the surgical item that is being used to save your pregnant mother during delivery. Not that one virgin have created any idea today to remove poverty in Africa or any country in the world. No, the only thing that one virgin does that makes black moronic morons to celebrate one virgin is because he's promising them how they will survive freely. Why Japan goes to training on daily basis on how they will survive. Why once you are 18 years in Israel, you join military training, but 18-year-old man, 18-year-old boy and girl in Africa, they are listening to one virgin sweet mouth. Premature death is not your portion. Anybody trying to kill you, Holy Ghost fire. Do you want to tell me that Holy Ghost fire works? And the Americans today are striking Iran with missiles, with a bomb. Do you want to tell me as a typical black man today that if Japan come run to you, explain their problem to you, telling you that maybe North Korea want to take over their land, do you want to tell me as a typical black man that what we offer these people is prayer? Now you will tell Japan citizens to go and shout Holy Ghost fire, to use Holy Ghost fire and destroy North Korea. Why you are seeing North Korea with a weapon trying to take over Japan? Now, how can a typical graduate in Africa, in Nigeria, will wake up in the morning to be shouting Holy Ghost fire, which the European will offend you? You use Holy Ghost fire to destroy the beautiful city of Rome. That is what you want to tell me. Can you believe today that if all the whole Igbo men and women watching me right now, there is no place in our community where atomic bomb is being produced in order to use it and fight other nations? No. But this community has a church worth of 1.5 billion. And inside that, the reason building that church is so that Jesus will speak for them, so that Jesus will fight their battle, so that Jesus will fight their enemy, so that Jesus will protect them, so that Jesus will guide them. In 21st century, black man still believe that there is a sky spirit given to them by the white people that is there to protect them. Why the same white people mount one of the best satellites on the sky, monitoring every living human, including the animals in their villages? The day reality will hit you. The day reality will hit you. But see, no there for you. When you will die. And when you die, before church will come to bury you, your family have to pay the church. If they don't have money to pay to the church will not come. If they give you free something now, your burial will not be free. Catholic priest will not come and bury you free. I'm telling you, I'm speaking before you. Do you want to accept the truth? No, you have been programmed to dance out of it in ignorance. I have a lot of it in my NGO now. Black man doesn't want to hear the truth. He's afraid of hellfire. Black man is happily living in a dirty environment because Europeans have brainwashed them that there is a better place Jesus and his father has built for the black race. And that place is built with gold. The same Westerners today are the highest gold reservoir continent in the whole world. But they don't have gold as an inheritance. The gold comes from Africa. England is the highest gold reservoir today in the world. But they don't have any place they mine gold in their villages. It's from Africa. So what we are doing is not a small job. And the reason why it is difficult for our people to come out of this mess is because there is our people here who are representing these angels of darkness, the slave masters in Europe, who claim to be sleeping with God, who claim to be hearing from God, from their Bible God, who claim to be God's son and God's daughter. But once reality hit them, they will not go and explain to their God. They will come and explain to us. Reality hit one virgin. One virgin was busy shouting on social media. Very simple, something that you need to ask that God that you always drink tea with. Then God will tell you and show you the person. One virgin was shouting on social media, I want to know that person that gave order to lock that gate. I want to know the person that gave order to lock that gate. This is a stardom that is under the leadership of a governor of a state. This is a stardom that is under the leadership of a governor of a state. Let me tell you something. In a good working government system, government will not give you that stardom for crusade unless you are bound to their rules, which is how many capacity that stardom is meant for. Many of you living in India witnessed it when one of them came from Anambra State, your Reverend Father. Came from UK in Anambra State to come and do adoration for you in India. Take your rupees and run away. And Reverend Father, who does adoration in UK? At UK. Police started chasing our people out of the hall. That the hall is made for 1,500 people. It's 1,500 capacity hall. But inside the hall, you could find yourself that more than 3,000 people is already there. So India government, we are like, this hall can collapse and kill you guys here. And started our people like if they are flogging chicken. If you know John Abari, Konyara, hey, acquire the police acquire Kankata, hey, Jesus, hey, Mumu. I'm amazing DOG, but I will try my best. How many capacity can that stardom not contain? Now, a good government will ask you, which adequate security you go for those people there? How are you sure of their security? You don't want to fear see me, but no matter court, more than me, wherever, men put up power. You don't say, here guys will be about, now, so that guys will be no less than 10,000 people or 5,000 people will be trapped there. Now, which adequate security have you provided for the life of those people there? Command, now I want my governor, my own governor, His Excellency, Pt1 BC. Mba. Nenye command, one chicha. Nimwela call Pt1 Babu, business mungu. They will all about Walombo. Mwe ma oil ditching. You know, I want Pilako, Keda for oil Pita, but Pilako oil again. You have idea. A business, my strong billionaire. Businessman, can you want to charge microphone? Is you say, now I want my governor. Who, you don't need all that. You want to know all that. I want to know who you, Mabingo. Chineka Bago, come on, Mabingo. We want to who you, if you're not why you want to know who you. Who you? Shebi na why na naturally you who you? What have you achieved in Enugu State? For the benefit of mankind through your criminality preaching. If you get better guy be na Enugu State, JUNT, woman in Imo State, ndadi and there, but you know there. What have you done with prayer? In a chief men and Ibo because I'm a member of why are you building about $1? Why can't you pray so that Allah will disappear? So you building about $1 simply means that you are powerless. Your Jesus is powerless, it's foolish, it's fraud. PC, it's microphone, don't know. Hey, you want to know who give order? I say who? When you cable. In a money give order to lock our gate under the leadership of a sitting governor. In a bit, fire, I command you, I receive you. And they go, who does that? Who does that? Mwabingo. Mwabingo when I call. Obogo na make na China. Better can they Japan, can the America fight Iran right away? Better can Israel when I strike Iran. I told you that Africa is still a virgin land. The day the Westerners will remember Africa to come again, and the second time, they will put something on every one of us who slept off, and they will take over our resources. I'm telling you. That should be taught slavery. But they have slaved us physical with chains. Now it is mental slavery. The other one they are coming will be death slavery. You are dealing something with people you know that they can kill everybody in your community within 1 hour. And what they are using to kill people, to kill a community within 1 hour, you don't want to learn it. Rather, they gave you God, telling you that that God is more powerful than what they are using to kill a whole community under 1 hour. And you believe them. That is why Donald Trump proudly calls us shithole, including you and your pastor. Both Elijah Enugu, both one Virginia, both Moto, both Sule, both one Joshua, one Lagos. Donald Trump, all I ain't in a shithole. Shithole simply means no nonsense. Never nonsense. No nonsense. And you open your mouth to that call America shithole. They will shit on you before 2 hours. Anywhere you are, they will use telescopes, scan and see where you are. They will strike you. They will strike you from America. Last month, they went to Venezuela, picked the president and the wife. A nation that equipped their country with the soldiers, police officers, DSS, many security agencies. They move on, hang on, pick the president, pick the wife, move them to another country, lock them up there. You are here. He married them. Jesus, he married them. Jesus, he married them. In about 50 years. Nirindi, Munota Diego, one nigga classmate can never say make. One never say make, Gamota kidnapper you boom wagage. That is just the gospel truth. For one yana town, never say make, Gamota bandit, gave that your son, which is also goes again now. I'm again, I'm on walk if I ban one with an arm on Mother Africa. Manifeseka is Bonyoji, if they can child is in one on one a miserable dead. A chicken guy some now. How many years now came to the baby and they can your community? Ask yourself this question. And all these challenges, I know when you know. Jesus said you everywhere because we are seeing your community dying premature. So you and your family don't want to die, and they brainwash you that once you run to Jesus, those premature will not be your portion. Not lie. The reason we are dying premature in our society is because there is no medical hospital there. We as a parents, we are the one training our children from nursery to primary to second to university level. Who does that in the Western world? They have division of labor. Now, after training those children, they'll still come out with first class results, but there will be no job. From there, BP, arthritis, so many sicknesses will be following you. You die like a common animal. Why sending those children to school? Because of common iPhone. Some them to death in order to take from them. Because we don't want to follow the due process that Oyibo is following to acquire phone, which is on credit. So if Nigeria government can make acquiring phone in Nigeria available on credit for people, make it easy for people, great job for every living human being. How many people will have the time to me and you in order to get a phone? I fetch all the other way from when I go to speed that Bible. I watch speed that one day. We go still come back to what our ancestors told us. I could fetch it. Man and then I was not what I call Korea. We made the Kakadan teacher. Your passport CBS your village name. Who gave that village name? Your forefathers. What are Korea? Is that Amanda, such a Nivea, Sylvia, Cynthia in America, such a Bren, such a Hanchanin in London or God. What's all in a corona? Cynthia, I'm if be saying a passport. Be say. A for rata. Upon on your rata call. Mo yoga. Mobe Ulumil. Ulumil an international passport. Ulumil. How come? Funding Zuzun di Bonne with her pastor. Illiterates, creative, idea. Unche go defend our own idea. System mother creating, not God. And the way create gonna get village and Ulumil. We village and walker. And then why that you believe Ubo anthologies of and have evil. Or for her created in a passport. Half and evil. It was Jerusalem. Oh, that is the meaning of not Rada Korea. That was an international passport gave there Cynthia, Philip, Jerusalem. Your village is supposed to be Jerusalem. Obodo Marama, Obodo Jerusalem, Boso Mochu, Gezuko Nekwe. I got for Peter, I got for St. Paul. I got for St. Philip, I got for Isaiah. Egwu onye rireri, onye buru batria, onye nzuzo onye ụwa niile kpọrọ asị, maka na ịkpọwo nna gị asị, onye jụrụ nna ya ụwa ọzọ ga-ajụ ya. Enwere ebe iji ete akpọrọ gị asị as a black person. Gwa m ebe ị ga-arụ ọrụ n'obodo Igbo 1 year, yara ifu racism, yara ifu asị ahakpọ. Gwa m ebe ị ga-ebie n'obodo ndị ọcha for 1 year, yara ifu asị igwu typical asị gosi na onye ọcha kpọrọ gị asị. Ọkwụla da akala onye Korea, ịgbagharị chakụ feche ọ dara awọ. Na reality hit nwa virgin ga-ejiri power Jizọs wee malụ onye nyere ọda ka kpochie gate ọbịa na-agbọ ka nkata. Ndị mana ka ha si pull weight, ka ha si pull fear on people's body. And then an election at the corner. Politicians wouldn't like to have any to drag with anybody in my population. That's when they like alone. I say what is right and what I'm supposed to say. So simply the NGO Igbo Love Themselves Charity Foundation. And when anybody in the propose if I need that NGO, I don't want. I'm the Bible. And we just your fear get on there alone. One name man with you. And when you go on Facebook, messenger chat and letter, my boy on a phone. No. I keep my head straight. I stand on my ground. Now, one virgin was the power. Malonia Pochuri defense. The same one virgin popped one girl there. Where say, do you know me before? No, sir. Have I seen you before? No, sir. How do I know your name and know your problem? The girl I said, because you are a prophet with instant solution. Now, what is instant solution? A prophet with instant solution is as there is no electricity in steady light in Enugu. As you are touching down to Enugu, you have a prophecy. The reason why there is no electricity in Enugu and bring an instant solution for the good of every mankind in Enugu. Enugu, where steady light. Simple something that Jesus will do for us. We'll live a good life. Electricity. God can, through what God cannot do does not exist. What is holding one baby virgin's God to give us electricity? As in the Enugu. Eba na-eji walk, onye ji walk eba o shock o. Nda na-eji agbanyụ ọkụ. Jesus ga-anọrọ n'ọkụ, ana bụrụ Jesus abụ n'ụka. Ofu onye nọ ebe ọ gwara na nwere ihe mmadụ wapụrụ ime. Ofu onye na-arụ na nepa, je n'ebe ha na-agbanyụ ọkụ pịa. E walk ebe niile pịa. Jesus nọ n'ọchịchịrị. Malakai nọ n'ọchịchịrị. Urube mgbe ga-ama n'ụwa na-alụlụ ka mmadụ si Ethiopia. Ndị gboo ji wee nọrọ wee na-agwa gị na-akụ ya ka ekwe onye ayakwa na nwanne. Ọkọkọ gị ka kwukwe na mmadụ ka ọ kụọ gị. Nwere mbọsị reality ga-ehit gị. Ga-ewokwa asị ndị church. Jesus love gị kpọọ ma asị mba so ụmụ nke gị ya adị ma ụmụ nke mama ndị mma so nke gị ga-adị mma. Bọsị reality ga-apịa gị. La calabasị daba. Saga diagnose nwa gị hole in the heart and in one of the monitor carry out the surgery. Oh, shababa. Bọsị ga-enwe tumor, physical tumor, stomach tumor, jaw tumor. But still get heart failure that requires so but still get aga diagnosed bone marrow disease requires almost $60,000 for the surgery for the transplant. Oh, shaba, don't worry. See brainwash bag. But still get nsogbu kiga mana ndị ọcha jige nefi chick. The same onye ọcha amago no ga-enwe ha na ekoketa. Create a standard health insurance for everybody. Ana anyọ kwa million there. Asi no ha na eze ndị Igbo. Create ụmụ Igbo health insurance. Igbo na akwụ 10 naira. Now this health insurance every month I get the bit 10 naira na your Oprah account, anything account again. Once no NIN. Once not logged in with your NIN because your NIN carries all your information, your data. Once you're in Nigeria today, believe you me, one of you boga na mama the curable. Ambulance got in every community in our land. But that is not our dreams. The youthful effort we are putting in Igbo land is how to build cathedral. You deny yourself industries. You build empty on the throne room where you go and ask God for money, for favor. But European got favor through health insurance if they are sick. They insure everything and even insure their life. And I ask you to commit your own life into the hands of their jailboy, a spirit that was murdered in Europe. Now, one virgin could not detect who locked up the gates by the power of the Holy Ghost. Naturally, Toria. Jail hotel. I told you now, mentally, you're not stable. I wish you will come back to reality, reason like me. You will see yourself as a lion. You will see yourself making waves, making things happening, taking glory that belongs to you and your energy, not giving your suffering and your energy to any useless unseen spirit. One virgin could not, because reality have hit one virgin. One virgin even said that he suspected something in that hotel. One day he jaba, William Bombo. Japa. JAKPA Japa. One virgin Japa. Now time of gị nwa ga-eji jakpachi ife ga-eme onwe gị ị nọ na-asị God of one virgin is my God. You monitor me, you die. You monitor me, nwanne onye ka ị na monitor? Nwa m ugo monitor ọgụ nwụọ. Bịa gafe ebe m bi, bịa ga ije ọjọọ ebe m gaa anya otu ije ma ala ịkọrọ na iru shop ma monitor gị gị isi n'ogbe hapụ. One virgin emechi ko no waka no nwechi evil people na village nwechi you come to ha monitor mmadụ Chidimma buru ga not gafe onye oru Chidimma Emeka na amaro ka ịsa arụ kọmputa gafe onye nọ na village nwere onye komita nu Emeka pa ife anyị na-ekiri m kịta na amaro ka esi rụ oyi pọmpụ dị na moto ya onye ji onye komita na-enye ife anyị na village ife anyị na-asị if you monitor me you die. Umumugu in 21st century if you monitor you die. Go to Sabisa Forest. They are a threat to your country. They are monitoring their country. Let them die. Let's. Now, one virgin could not use his power to detect who stopped them from opening their stardom. Now, coming to Elijah Enugu.